In this video, I am going to explain how to shut a company, how to select a company, and how to alter company details in Tally. In a previous video, already I had explained how to create a company, and one company I have created, and that company name you can get in a list of selected companies here. And here at the right side you can see Gateway of Tally menu has been opened. And if you want to alter a company, set a company, select a company, you need to open company info menu. At the right side in a vertical pane, some different buttons also you can get here. If you want to use the specific buttons, these shortcut keys you need to use here. And if you want to open company info here, you can click on company info button by mouse, and that company info will be opened here. First I will explain how to use all these options by selecting options from a company info. Then I will show how to use shortcut keys for all these options. Okay, first option you can see in a company info is a select a company, and next is a shut a company, create company, and alter. And click on select a company. If you want to select any companies here, select a company window will be opened here, and here you can select any company which you wanted to open and take enter from your keyboard. That company name will be listed in a selected companies here. Okay, next one, if you want to close any companies, you can select a shut company here and take enter which company you wanted to close. That company name you need to select and take enter to close it. Next one, here if you want to create a company, select create company here, take enter, and company creation window will be displayed here. Here you need to create the company. This company creation already I have explained in a previous video. Next one, here alter company you can see. Alter company is to change details in a company's creation. Select alter company, and which company you wanted to alter, that company you need to open. That company details you need to change here. Okay, next one, take enter to save company details. Next one, take escape to close the company info window. And if you want to use the shortcut keys here, you need to press F1 to select the company. Here select company window has been opened here. Okay, next one, which company you wanted to open, that company you need to select here and take enter to select the company. And if you want to shut a company, then press Alt F1 to close the company and take enter. Okay, next one option is what? If you want to open company info, Alt F3 you can press from your keyboard. That company info window will be opened here. Next option you can see here, this company also I will close here. Press Alt F1 to shut this company. Okay, now no one companies are opened here. Okay, now you can see what changes is happening here. Shut company and alter company options are not opened. To shut or else to alter the company, any one company should be opened in a list of selected companies options. Next one, here you can see login as a remote user option. We can see this login as a remote user option is used to login from remote computer. If this option is used only if your Tally is a active user, then only you can log in from remote computer here. After whenever you click on this login as a remote user, then here you can get a ID and passwords. Whatever password and ID you have given for company, that ID and password you need to enter, and then automatically will log into the company. Next, backup and restore options we can see. If you want to take a backup of your company information, then you can use backup option here. And if you want to restore any deleted or some deleted information, then you can select restore option to restore the company information.